will be reading the table. For that purpose, I will use three important operations. So today I'm going for types of queries. This part I am going to talk about it. After 1 or 2 or after 10 minutes, I'll go for the programming in the class, because I want to tell you types of queries, because I can write directly program in Python, because you don't know the DDL DML part of Oracle now, and this DDL DML DRL will be there. MySQL same, SQL Server also will same. All RDBMS products, SQL is a standard language. Standard syntaxes will be containing. That's why if you know SQL, it is more than enough to communicate with any database. Okay. So I'm going to tell you types of queries. Is three types. Number one, DDL, EML. Good. Now I will open types of queries for the things instead of typing, because I want to give you how many types of queries. Number one, come on. EMS softwares. Queries are classified into three types. Number one, DDL stands for your favorite answer, data definition language queries. And next is what? DML, data manipulation language queries. DRL, data retrieval language queries. And I want to do this operation through which program? Python program. Rameshwar Shinde. What is this error, mom? What is this? What is your error, please? Your error is, what is your error, my dear student? Can you tell me the error name, what you are getting, so that I can look into it? So CX_Oracle, O capital you need to use. CX_Oracle, O capital you need to use. Okay, did you recognize that? You are using CX, O capital you need to use it. Did you recognize that, student? Rameshwar. Now I'm going to introduce the DDL queries. DDL queries I'm going to use. Yesterday's class we already done one program also on that. What is that? Connection example one. You see CX_O capital, right? CX_Oracle.connect. I explained this entire concept yesterday. This entire thing is known as what? Connection URL we can call. What is it? URL. And after that we created a cursor object also. Last class cursor object creation also we did. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, query execution I am going to explain. Okay, shall I move forward? Please visit to Python. Please visit to Oracle once, students. Please go to Oracle once, and don't think that I am explaining Oracle, but I am helping you, and another helping hand I am giving here. So actually you must know Oracle. Since you don't know Oracle, I am explaining from my side a spark level. That is just like a brush up I am giving it. But that brush up, if you concentrate, you can easily understand. Okay, those who are coming today or yesterday onwards you are attending, if you listen carefully, you can attend. Shall I start now? Good. So I'm going to say, you need to say what? Connect. If you say direct, what do you know? Like yesterday I told you, find the global name, select star from where? Global_name, it will give you error. What is this error called? So to do that, I need to say what? Connect. What is the username, my dear students? Come on. System. Next is called what? Manager. I need to give. So it is connected. Then you can say select star from global_name. Yesterday we got it what? XE. Did you understand? Now let us move to the further. If I want to know, when you come to this Oracle, by default some tables are present inside. By default some tables are present. These are predefined tables when you install Oracle data, Oracle in software, if you install it. So even if you go to MySQL also, even if you go to any database software, if you install, some predefined tables will be there. To see the tables which are present in your database, I will use select star from tab. I will explain about select more detail in where? In more detail in where? DRL part I will explain. DRL part I will explain more clearly. So try to listen carefully, students. select star from this place and see that so many number of tables are available. So many number of tables are available. We are not bothering about all these tables. We are bothering about they're all predefined. You just see some small tables. Say so many number of tables are available. We are not bothering about all these tables. These are all called predefined things. I want to take it, my own table I want to create. How do you create my own table? I will create my own table. Creating a table is nothing but which type of operations I told you just now. DDL statements are going to give you structuring the table. To insert my records, first what should I create? Table. How do you create a table? Now I am going to create it. Shall I create now? To create a table, there is a query, there is a command called what? Create. Create table. Create is a keyword. Table is a keyword. You need to tell later table name. Once again, I am saying, this is not my Python class. It is a Oracle related SQL commands I am explaining. It is quite out of my subject. Did you remember? Because during demo sessions also I said Python with Oracle. Oracle knowledge must be there. Python with Oracle communication I am going to explain, I said. Okay. Create a table, table name. What is the table name I am taking? Student. Student is nothing but your table name. You need to type it. Inside of it, what are the columns I want? Take care, students. Take care. If I started explaining that all the databases, it will take 7 months to complete my Python course. That's why database I am not going to teach. Database knowledge must be there. Any database is there in your company. That module you need to find out from your project level and you need to install. I told you how to install it. And connect function same, cursor function same, execute function is same. Are you able to follow? Same steps will be there. Only thing is you are finding the module name. That's all. Understand? So in this case, what I am taking here, student is my table name. Student is my table name. Inside the student, what I would like to create? Come on, SNO. Next is called what? Yes, name. Next I am taking what mark? Marks I want to take it. And don't take much risk of it. You can easily understand. This is my column names I want to take it. So how do you create this table? To create this table, I will use which option? Create table, table name. What is my column name? SNO. Please keep this picture in your brain and start working with the coding. SNO is called what? Column name. To allocate the memory space for that column, you must use data types. Which data types? Oracle data types you need to use. Understand? SNO. What is the type of SNO? Generally integer, right? In mathematics, it is integer. In Python, we call it as int. In Oracle data type, we have a number. What is the data type? Number. Number. Say one student is asking, Chandu, Seema, you are getting TNS listener. Please check your Oracle installation properly. Please check your Oracle installation properly. TNS listener is nothing but your Oracle installation time. You take care. You go to your services once, you show that error once to your database installed person, he will fix that error. TNS listener is nothing but it is a small issue in the Oracle installation part. Chandu, my dear student, please take care about that. Fine. Let me come to that. In Oracle, what is the data type? Number. Number. There are a lot of data types are there even in Oracle also. I'm not talking about data types of Oracle. I'm talking about directly problem related data types. SNO is a number, but you need to specify SNO is going to contain what length numbers. Is it a 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers or 4-digit numbers? If I am writing 2, SNO will allow what values? 2-digit number only. Up to 99 only allowed. What is not allowed? 100 will not allow. 1000 will not be allowed because your size is how much? So I need to specify what? Size. 2. 2, comma, comma, next. S name. S name. What is S name in Python? str. In Oracle, The S name is going to contain varchar2. Varchar2, my dear student, varchar2. It is a data type like an str. You need to specify S name contains how many characters. It is a data type notation of our Oracle, not related to Python students. If you don't understand this, don't think Python is not understand. It is not a Python. When I come to this area called SQL, it is a Oracle, database related language I am talking. So varchar2 of 10, I need to write it. Varchar2 of 10, comma, I am writing here. Next I am going to write it. What is the next? Marks I am going to write it. What are the marks generally? 66.77, 44.98, like this. For example, what is the total number of things? 6, 6, 7, 7, 4 actually. One dot is there. Totally how many things are there? 5. Including dot also you need to count, students. Comma, you need to write what? 2. What is this 2 indicates? 2 decimals. 2 decimals and 2 integer part, 1 decimal part. Separated by what? Now once again I am asking 999 and 45 I am asking. What is the total number of things? 6 comma what? 2. 6 comma 2 I need to write it. If you want to represent the data like this. Did you understand? So what is the, this is equivalent to which type? Float type. I need to write what? Number of 6 comma 2 or number of 5 comma 2. Number of what? 5 comma 2. Did you understand? Close this and close the bracket of this code thing and say semicolon. What is happening here? Table created. Table created. DESC stands for description. Which one? Which one? Student, semicolon. What is happening? You see NO. That is nothing but column names. SNO. Which type? Next is called what? S name. Which type? Marks is which type? How many columns are there? 3 columns are there. Are you able to follow? Do you have any data inside to see whether the data is there or not? There is one statement is there which I will discuss. So I will give you so many examples on that area. Select star from which table? Student table. To read the records, to select the records from table, I am writing. What is this now? No rows selected. That indicates what is created, just table created. What is not there? Data is not there. It is called what? This is called structuring the table, designing the table. Did you understand? Yes. Red t-shirt. Mobile, keep it in the packet. Using mobile, right? Yes. I understand. Even though I did not see your mobile, I can smell out what are you doing with mobile. You are replying to your friend message, correct? Correct? Yes, I can smell out what you are doing behind of your chair. It will show in your face. Friends are there, but after the class, if a job is not coming, no friend will come and help you. If you get a job, you can help to a lot of friends. Okay, now? Right. Listen the class. Now you come to the point of it. Select star from student. No more rows are there. Now I want to create a table now. One more table I want to create. Table created. Are you understanding? What are the column names? SNO, S name, marks. Are called what? Column names. Number of 2, varchar, number of 6, 5, 2 are called what? Data types of Oracle. When I go to MySQL, data types are different, but same syntax will be there. Same syntax will be there. What will be differing? Data types will differ. Understand, ma? Now, I want to, how many columns are there? 3 columns are there. I want to add some extra column to that. Extra column to that. I will go for what? Alter. What is that? Alter, sorry. Alter. Alter. What is that? Alter. Alter table. Alter is a command. Table is a command. Come on. What is that? Table. Table name. What is the table name? Student. Right? Who is that? Kalasha Patak. Student, be careful. Sir is having invisible power. Okay. Good. See, online student recognized invisible power, but offline students did not recognize. Good. So, alter table student. Alter student table. What are you doing, ma? You are adding the new column or not? What is that new column? To add the new column, I will use what option? Add. Add of. What is the new column name? C name I am using. College name. College name. What is the college name? Which type? Varchar 2 of 10 I am saying. The new column I am adding to whom? Student. C, semicolon. You go for table altered. You see description student. DESC student. Is the column name added or not? Here how many columns are there? Here how many columns are there? 4. What option I am using? Alter with add. Now I want to change. SNO contains column length is how much? 2. I want to increase 2 to 3. 2 to 3 I want to increase. Name is having only 10. I want to increase to 15. That means I am modifying the column sizes or not? How do you do it? Same. Alter table student modify. What is the earlier option, my dear student? Adding for what? New column. Today what I am doing? Modify. Modify means what? Adding some new modifying the value column sizes I am doing. Modify I am going to do. SNO. What I am doing now? Number of 3. What is this modify option? Take the existing column name, increase the size of it, comma. Next what? Yes name. Yes name. What is this now? Varchar 2. Varchar 2 of what? 15. 15. If I am not interested, you need not to continue. Whatever the columns you want to increase, you can increase it. Did you understand this point? See students, table altered. So alter option I can use with what? Alter option I can use with what? So what is this now? You see that DESC, see students, SNO is becoming 3 or not? Earlier it is having what? S name is containing how many? Now it is 15. Are you following? What is the use of create? To create a table with column names. What is the use of alter with add? Adding new column. Adding new column to the existing table. Alter with modify is what? Modifying the column sizes of existing table. Did you understand? So alter and then create dealing with structuring the table only. Next, one more I'm talking. Easy students. I want to remove this table completely, student. I want to remove the table completely. For that, drop table name. What is my table name? Student. Table name. I'm saying semicolon. What is happening? Table dropped. Now you see DESC student. You will get error or not? What is that error? Object student does not exist. In Python, of course, I am using 11G Express Edition. From Oracle 9 onwards, Oracle 8 onwards, Oracle also satisfies what? Object-oriented principles. But no Oracle faculty will explain OOPS features well. Anybody knows here Oracle? I will ask OOPS principles advantages. Nobody knows. Without asking you, I am saying that. What are the advantages of OOPS? Duplicates are allowed. No null values are allowed. Unique plus not null is called what? Primary key. Next, yes name varchar 2 of 10. That means yes name value should be entered compulsory. It should not be what? Not null. Comma. Marks. Marks I am entering. Number comma 5 comma 2. Also what? Not null. This is the complete syntax of SQL statements which will work out in where? Oracle, MySQL, everywhere else it is a common syntax except the data types. Primary key is same, not null same, and then other things also. Yeah, primary key is there, unique key is there, not null is there, check constraint is there, foreign key constraint is there. These are all called what? SQL related standard topics. And it is not a big deal. Even you can understand today also. I will introduce all these things, students. Carefully listen the class. You will understand everything. Because I am running my vehicle on two things. One is Oracle sometimes, Python sometimes. If I run only Python directly, you will get the doubt in Oracle part. That's why I'm running my vehicle on two things. Carefully try to understand. Next, I'm going to talk about what, ma? Alter. Come on, students, please understand. Alter with what? Add option. Alter with what? Come on. This query is used for altering table structure. In other words, alter is used for modifying the column sizes. Which option? And adding the new column names. Which option? Good. Syntax number 1. Alter table name, modify. Modify means what? Existing column name, DB data type, so on, existing column n, DB data type. Understand? Syntax number 2, alter table name, add new column name, DB data type. New column n, DB data type. This is one is with add option, one more is with next. Syntax example, alter table teacher, modify. One more, add alter table name, college name, varchar 2 of 10, not null. All these things I will execute and I'll show you, students. And one more thing is comes under what? Dropping. Of course, that I will take in the last part of it. No issue, even if I write it over there, no issue at all. Drop, I will write in the last part. See, students. So, coming to the point of it, drop. This query is used for removing or dropping the table from database software. Drop table name. Syntax is what? Drop table employee. Or drop table student. All this over it. Are you understanding this? Right. So, coming to this, Saurav College. So, I'm going to explain, my dear student. I already told in the beginning day only. I'm going to explain what? Two things. One is Oracle I will teach. One more is MySQL I will respond, my dear students. Already I told you, na? Oracle I am going to tell you, and MySQL open the notes. Saurav Kale. Did you understand, ma? Are you listening what I'm talking? Please hold on and try to listen the classes completely. Write down. Write a Python program. Employee table with ENO, comma ename, with ENO, comma ename, and salary as columns in Oracle database. Why not writing? Notes is not there. Mobile is there. So, no, I'm not asking for anything. Open the mobile. MS Office is there in your mobile. Not there. WPS Office is there. Not there. YouTube is there. You can install more. WPS Office is required. MS Word is required. You can type it. In your mobile. These questions. Right. Come to the point of it. So Praveen is asking, sir, once again say question. So you are just like school students, you are asking. Write a Python program which will create a table employee with the column names ENO, E name, and salary in Oracle database. Okay, Praveen. Now I will write the code. Shall I write the code now? Yes. First I will write it in normally. I will copy the code in where? PyCharm also I will show you. Or directly first beginning only I will go to PyCharm. Because you are so much excited to see in PyCharm. If I show in PyCharm, you will say, sir, show in Edit Plus. Okay, no issue, students. I'll go to it. Now I'll go to this. This is already yesterday's class we written or not? Now I'll go to this. New project I will take, students. Take it. New project. I'll take it. All DDL operations I will go for it. So close your project, my dear students, and create. I'm taking 6 p.m. DDL. 6 p.m. DDL I am going to take it. 6 p.m. DDL I am going to write it. Creating virtual environment. Try to follow. This is not necessary. Go to this place. What is my statements here? Python file. Tell me what is my operation? Create table. Create a table. Example 1 dot what? Py. Create table example 1 dot py. So I'm going to say this file. What are the steps, ma? Steps are already there or not? 6 steps are there. I said so far how many? 4. 5 and 6 also I can say to you. First step is what? Import. Come on. Import cx underscore Oracle. Immediately red underline is coming. That means our PyCharm did not recognize this module. Saurav Kale, please listen the class, ma. Understand. You are asking connection how to establish. Example by establishing the connection through MySQL, I will tell you. First Oracle. After Oracle examples completed, I will go for what? MySQL. Once you understand one connection, other connections are dead easy because same connect function I will use, different parameters I will use it. Okay. Coming to the point of it. Now I'm going to say, tell me second step. Come on. Last class I said connection is equal to cx underscore Oracle dot connect off username, password, DNS, service ID. What is my system? In my class it is system. Don't type system in your class. In your laptop don't type. You type your own username. What is next? Manager. Take care about your spelling, students, and say what here? Localhost /xe. What is xe? Service ID of my Oracle in my system. Once this is done, what is established? Connection established. Right or not? Step number 1, this is called step number 1. This is called step number 2. Step number 2. Okay. Next step number 3. Cursor is equal to con dot what? Cursor of. Cursor is a function present into connection object. Okay. Now I need to execute the query or not? Now this is called step number what? 3. Step number 4 I am writing, students. Step number 4 I am writing. What is the step number 4? Please you see. Create query. CQ is equal to some variable name, double quotes. Write your query. Come on, students. Create table. What is the table name? Employee. Because Python don't know, Python interpreter don't know what is create table name. My cursor will carry the Oracle understandable statement from my Python program to where? Database environment. Create table name. What is this now, students? ENO number of what? 3. If you are quite perfect person in database programming, if you are looking for no more duplicates are allowed, you can add what? Primary key. Super. Primary key. Primary key says what? Unique values plus no null value. That is called primary key is equal to PK is equal to unique plus what? Not null. Understand? Comma. What is the next column? Name. What is the name? Varchar 2. Varchar2 of what? 10. Next is called what, students? Shall is equal to shall. Come on. Number of 8 comma 2. What is the meaning of 8 comma 2? Total digits are how many? 8. Out of that, how many decimals? 2. And 1 dot. 5 are over. Now 3 are over. Now 5 is left out or not? That means 5 integer parts, 2 decimal parts, 1 dot. Did you understand, students? Right. Take care, students. Now I am going to say, take care these brackets. This bracket starting, bracket ending, everything is within the double quotes. It is called which type? str type. Execute the query. In where cursor? cur dot, what is the function name? Execute of what? CQ. CQ. Varchar2. Yeah. Yes, ma. Vinod Kumar. Perfect. So spelling mistake also if you write it. If you write spelling mistake, Oracle environment does not understand and it will give you the exception. What is that exception? Very good. CQ. What is the cursor is doing? It will carry your CQ query to database environment. Once it is successfully executed, I can say one sentence. This is nothing but what? Step number 4. I am processing. Once that query is successfully executed, employee table created successfully. I'm just saying this. And after that, since we are the programmers, we want to make our application robust. I need to make it as what? Except. I am writing except. What is that now? cx underscore Oracle dot database error as DB. That is an optional, student. But I told you this type of thing already in my various forms of except block. Problem in DB I'm writing it. Are you understanding? And my dear students, if you understand me, this code, wherever I want, I can call it. Because you know modules. Wherever I want, I can call it. In order to call it wherever you like it, you have to keep this entire thing in function or not. I can execute my code. I can keep it into where? Function. Let me keep it DEF. What is this now? Table creation. Table creation of. Are you okay, students? Right? Keep it this entire thing inside of one tab, you press it. Are you perfect, students? Table creation. What I am writing now? Main program. What is my function I am calling? That's all. Table creation. Beautiful. Now, error. Beginning error. You try to run it. Error. What is that? Module not found error. Which module not found? cx underscore. Yes. Do you know how to fix this issue? Yes, you know that. How do you go for it? I forget. Come on. Go to your project. Go to what, ma? File, settings. To fix this error, I must install the module explicitly. Come on. Go to where? Your project name. What is your project name? Online students, please carefully understand, students. What is my project name? 6 p.m. DDL. Click on that area. What is that? Python interpreter. Python interpreter. Say what? Click on pip. When you say pip, it is indirectly like a DOS prompt I installed. Pip install your module name. Click on this pip or click on the plus symbol also. Wherever you like it. Click on pip. It is showing from GitHub. It is connected. Pip is internally having the code internally Python people has written. They connected to internet. From GitHub, what are all the modules are available? They are showing to us. While you are doing this application, you must have an internet connection to install this. Please take care of Oracle. Very good. Oracle. See, students. If you write by mistake small o, in searching part it is coming. But in programming, you will get error. In searching uppercase, lowercase, they are not bothering about it. But in programming part, you will get error. Now you select it and see immediately, my dear students. Here you see, what is this? In on this, you see within fraction of seconds, you will get it. CX underscore Oracle. What is this? Installed successfully. Now, once it is done, who developed that module? Third party module. I told you the name of the person. Click close this, close this. Is it installed or not? Close this area. Now see, no more red underline. Did you understand how to fix that error, students? Well, now you execute, execute. Do you have EMP table in my Oracle database? Please check it. Please check it. DESC employee. DESC employee. What is this? Employee object does not exist. Now I will run my code. Can I run my code? Yes. Please run this now. Directly this table is created. See that? EMP table, employee table created successfully. Go to that. Which place I need to go? Oracle. Now you say DESC. Before the program, no employee table. Now it is created. See, my dear students, ENO created, not null. Internally we made as what? Primary key. E name, varchar2, salary 8,2. Did you understand? Table created or not? Yes. If you run this code once again, do you know what is happening? Will you create the same name on the same table once again? You cannot. You will get what? Exception. Please run this. Already exist, you will get it. Already exist, you will get it. Problem in DB, ORA 90955. Name is already used by what? Yes. Suppose if you write the same query, in where? Backend you write it. You just paste the statement. Create a table name, ENO, everything you write as it is. Semicolon you say, see the error. What is this error? ORA 00995. It is an error at which one? Oracle line. This same thing I am capturing in my Python programming or not? How I am capturing that message? By using exception handling here. By using an exception part. We wrote the DB CX underscore Oracle error or not? So I am capturing that. Did you understand how to create a table? Easy or difficult? I want to create one more table. What is the table I want to create, my dear students? Table I want to create. Teacher I want to create. What is that now? Teacher number. Next is called what? Teacher name and a teacher subject. I will take it. Sub I will take it. I will take sub. What is the subtype here? Varchar2. I will take it as what, students? Varchar2 of what, 5 or something like 8 I am taking. So I am taking different table name, my dear students. Again you run this code. What is happening? Of course, message I need to change. Message I need to change. I should say what? Teacher table I need to write it. Of course, I did not see that message. Teacher table will be coming. So you go for this and say what again? DESC. Come on, mom. Teacher. Is the teacher table created or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. Now next I will go for, I can do the same example in my edit plus level also. Once you know coding very well, you can do your example wherever you like it. Go to this place and then Python here and paste it here and try to run it. What I am going to write it, run the same thing as it is and try to save this. For uploading purpose, I am just keeping in our place. Table creation. Do this. Come to the command prompt. D colon. I say here KVR Python here. 4 p.m. I say here Python. Okay, sorry. CD. So here I will say 6 p.m. I say CD Python here with Oracle. Now you execute it. PY and C, students. What is happening? Exception will come. Why? Already table is created. If at all you want to go for any new table you want to create, you can take it. What is the new table I want to create? Student SNO. Next is called S name. And next is called what? Subject. Let it be not a problem. What table is creating? Student table is creating. Save this code and run this code. Student table created or not? Check it out. In this place, you check it out. Go to the Oracle. See students, DESC, what is this now? Student. See that 3 things are there. See students, select star from employee. There is no data present inside of it. Select star from what now? Teacher. Teacher, no data present inside of it. Select star from where? Student, there is no data present in that. Only table created. Did you understand? Online students, did you understand this point? Did you understand this code up to here? This line is very, very simple. This line is comes under step number 4. This is simply comes under step number 5. Right? Just processing. Don't feel that only single line is comes under processing. No. A very biggest discussion I'm going to keep it under processing the data. Are you able to follow? Yes. Can I go to the next command? What is the next one? Please look into that. What is the next one? Alter. Alter with what? Alter with what? Modify. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Students in online, open the notes, ma. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will change some of the column sizes of some of the column sizes of employee table of Oracle database. Shall we start? What is the common steps? Tell me. Importing module same, connection is same, cursor is same, and then query will change. Correct or not? Yes. Again, I will write it. Actually, I can copy and paste. If I copy and paste now, you will get tension. Sorry is copying and paste because sorry is knowing, because you don't know. That's why I will type it once again. With my hands, if I type now, I will get a confidence on it. Right. Program for altering what? Column sizes of what? Which table? Employee table. Okay. Tell me. First step, import cx underscore Oracle. Okay. Next step, get the connection. con is equal to cx underscore Oracle dot connect of username system slash password at the rate 127.0.0.1. What is this 127.0.0.1? IP address. This IP address is known as what? Loopback address. Loopback means it is pointing to itself. Everything is any machine address is pointing to itself is called a loopback address. Okay, students? Of what? exe. Because of that, what is established? Connection established. Okay. Next what? Over the connection, I will create what? Cursor. How do you create cursor? CUR. Don't think that these are fixed variables. You can take any variables. You can take your names. Okay, students. Come on, more. con dot cursor off. Very good. Cursor off. Cursor is ready. Vehicle is ready. Which query you will put it in cursor? Alter. Tell me. AQ. Alter query is equal to. Come on, I forget. Alter table employee. Now column names. What is that now? Modify. Did you understand? Okay. ENO. What is ENO? Existing column name. Please be careful, ma. ENO. What is my table name? ENO. If you write EMPNO, you will get error. Invalid column name, you will get it. Modify takes what? Existing column name, right? My syntax you see. If you get a problem, na, immediately go to the syntax. Sir, you see, modify existing column name DB data type. Are you following? Existing column name DB data type. What is my existing column name? ENO. Same column name, which is already containing What is that? Number of what? What is already containing? 3. I will take it as what? 4. 4, comma. Next, e-name. You want e-name. Don't think in not in sequence. You can write even salary also. You can take salary also. E-name. What is this now? Varchar 2 of what? Some 10. Some 10. Write within the double quotes. Because total query is called a string object only. Take care about this brackets, ma. Take care about this bracket. This should be matched. This should match. This should match. These things must be matched. Okay. Now execute. How to execute? Come on. CUR dot execute of what? AQ. AQ. Are you able to follow? Now I will write it. Print employee table altered. What is this? Verify. Done. It is called first step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. Step number 5, just I am processing. For processing, don't think only one line. There are the big lines are there. I'll come to that. That's why I will not write the step of what? Process the table result of the database. I will not write immediately. After showing DDL, DML and DRL. So a lot of things are there to discuss with you. So that's why I'm not writing. This I will write it in one function, students. DEF, what is this, ma? Table alter with what? Modify function. Say what here, I will keep this under this, and moreover, I will write this entire thing under where? Try. I will write this exception also inside, student. What is this now? Except. Instead of typing the same thing, I will take this part so that I can speed up my example. Okay. Coming to main program. What is this now? Create. So, coming to the point of this one. Are you able to understand? So, coming to this place, here I am going to say table modify. Try to give the example. What is my example I am giving? Come on, ma. Table alter with modify. Example 1.py. It's my Python program. Save this. Done. Now, coming to this area of command prompt, Windows command prompt for running stale, say here py. Come on to this point. First go to the backend once, Oracle place you go once and check it out once, DESC before my table execution, before my program execution. This is a column names or not? Yes. See my code once. Here it is 10. 10 is there. Already 10 is there. I will take what? 15. Are you following? Ma? Okay. What is there here given? Name. If I give e-name, you will get what? Exception will come. Shall we see that exception once? Okay. Exception we will see. Let us face the errors. Now see. Error. What is that? Some inconsistent tabs. Some inconsistent tab is there, it seems. So, except, okay, it is correct. No issue. So, when I copy and paste now, so much of issues will come. So, now you see, what is this? What is the invalid identifier? E-name. But what is the name actually? Okay. Go there and say what? Name. See, run this code. Run this code now. See. Table altered, verify. Go to this place, say DESC once again, you see, it is 3 to what? 4, 10 to where? 15. Are you able to understand? Yes. So, coming to the point back, here I am going to say, function is there, table is altered. Are you able to understand, students? Good. Now, Lalit is asking one doubt. That doubt I will post it in the window doubt I will create. Anyhow, that is very simple. Any doubt will be coming. That is there a part of our class. If I want to perform alter operation after immediate creation, can I reuse same program without creating a new Python file. Why not? You can write the same code inside of what? Creation only. Why not? Are you following? You can write in creation, after creation, immediately you can write what? Another query, I can write it. Are you following me, students? So, Lalit, I hope you can do. Yes, you can do. You can do. But what I'm doing is, I'm giving different subparts of my system so that no confusion will. So hot. My system is lagging. Okay, fine. Now coming to the point back. Now I'm going to continue my session. Now table with altered. Are you following me? Yes. My system is having, of course, I'm maybe wrong. I know. My system is having high speed internet, students. Very high speed internet. This room is having very high speed internet. So maybe I may be mistaking. Maybe sometimes I cannot believe this internet completely. But here it is having lagging means some voice is reaching to them very very late. I hope that. So hot hacker Vasu. Maybe it is the same. Now it is clear. Huh? Is it clear for you now? Is it okay now? Because sometimes it may be happening, but is it clear now? Try to respond once. All other students. Is it still lagging? Clear? Huh? Okay. Clear. Okay. Nice. Let me go to the next one. What is this option called? Modify. Now I will go for what? Add. See our syntax here. DDL syntax now. With what? Add. New column name I want to add. With a DB type I want to go for it. Right? Write down. Write a Python program. Open the notes. Online students. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will add a new column. Which will add a new column. Which will add a new column to the employee table. To the employee table. To the employee table. To the employee table. So which column name I am going to add? We are going to say. Shall we start? Yes. So I will go for what? Only question I will take it, and other thing I will type it once again. Until you get confidence, until you get bored of it, I will go on typing. Because I am just left hand, left finger. But you should feel, you should not watch like a circus. You should do that circus activity. Then you are perfect. Okay. What is this now? Add example. Alter with add. So column altering the table, altering the adding, altering the employee table, altering the employee table by adding what? New column name. Okay. So alter with add, my dear students. Come on, straightforward. Import cx underscore oracle. Come on, when I'm writing, you also spell out in your brain. Are you spelling it out in your brain or watching? Huh? Are you keeping your hand on the mobile? Vibration sound is coming, immediately watching. Huh? Is it like that? No. DEF. Come on, fast. No problem. Of what? Say now. Come on. CON is equal to CX underscore. I will write a try also. Try also. Come on. CON is equal to CX underscore Oracle dot connect of name. What is the password? Manager. If you say system manager, you will type system manager in your laptop also. Don't learn that. Username / password @ DSN DNS / service ID. Okay, students? Huh? Which one? For use it. What is there? Use CX_Oracle as your name. Right? Right. So alias names. You use alias name. Already we discussed now. How many syntaxes? 7 syntaxes I said. Import module name. Import module name as alias name. So many syntaxes. So many multiple modules with alias name, from module name, import function names with alias name, variable names with alias name, from CX_Oracle, import star, 7 syntaxes I said. Already we said, you practice it. Okay. Nemo, come on now. Cursor is equal to what? CON dot. Cursor off. Cursor off. Are you following me? Now go for what? Query. Now what is that now? AQ is equal to, come on fast, alter table employee, add new column name, C name, company name, varchar2 of what? 10. Varchar2 of 10, company name I am saying. Are you able to follow? Good. Execute. How do you do now? Where are you, students? CUR dot execute of AQ. Are you following? Or still memorizing all the way we came from native place today morning only, sir? Still I am remembering what I have done yesterday by this time in my native place. Are you memorizing your activities or what? Already came now. You enjoyed now. Come to Python now. Try to understand. See, students, you can also do the same thing like this. You can also do the same thing like this. Or you can say AQ. You can write the same thing as it is inside the double quotes here. In place of that, you can write directly like that. Are you following me? You can do like that. So, come on to the point of it. What is this now? Employee table altered. What is this now? Verify. Altered, verify. What is this now? Accept. What is this now? CX_Oracle dot database error as K. Print of problem in DB. What is that problem which I am capturing in variable K? Done. Will this program will execute as it is like that? No, because it's only definition. You need to call it or not? Call the function here. So I'm going to write it what? Main program. So table altered. Function call it is. Beautiful. Save this code, students. So I'm going to say done here. Out of that, go to your Windows. Don't go to SQL prompt and don't write Python program. Because some students will be there, they are favorites to me. PY and writing this Python program here. Oracle don't know what is PY. Take care, students. PY, see this. Done. What is happening? Table is altered. First you check it out. Employee table contains how many columns? Once again you check it out. Only 3 columns are there. Now run this code. Enter a key. What is happening? Table altered. Verify. Go to this. See that. Is C name is added or not? Easy. Easy or difficult? Easy. Not at all difficult. If anybody feeling difficult, they are absent in the previous classes. Right? So subject will come very easily, provided when you are punctual. That's why by thinking so many things, I prepared 3 conditions. Punctuality in attending class, practicing sessions, and reading notes. And these are lifetime milestones. Career subject milestones they are called. Fine. Come to the point back. Now I am going to say table altered. Table altered or not? Table modify, table altered, everything done. Students in online, are you comfortable up to here? So Are you comfortable here? Prithvi, thank you. So, shall we continue? Did you understand this? Next, one more. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will remove a table. Which will remove a table. Which will remove a table from Oracle database. Oracle database. Oracle database. Okay. Shall we start? What is that? What is the query you are using? Drop. What is the syntax? Drop table, table name. Easy. Can I copy and paste this? Are you getting command over it? What is the first step? Importing the module. Second step is getting the connection. Third step is creating the cursor object. Fourth step is preparing the query and executing and printing the status of it. That's all. I will just copy with your permission. If you don't give permission, I will type once again. I want to teach the subject until you get bore. Bore means what? You are perfect. Correct or not? Okay. That is my meaning. I don't know you are boring. Table drop example 1.py. Table drop example 1.py. Table drop. Table drop is my function name. Table drop is my function name. I want to call it. I will change that. What is the changes you need to tell? Is the line number 3 same? Is the line number 5 same? Function name can be taken anyone, any name you can take it. Is the 6th line same? 7th line? 8th line? Different. I will remove. Okay. I will remove this also. I will use it. Can I write directly? Execute. Come on, students. Drop table. Drop table. Table name. Employee, student, teacher, so many are there. I will remove what? Student. Let it be. Employee table, keep it. I will remove student table. What is happening? If it is successfully removed, you will get what? Student table. Student table dropped. Student table dropped, verify. Suppose if the table is not there, you will get which exception? And you will get object student does not exist, you will get it. Are you following, students? Yes. Save this code, ma. Save this code. Save this code. See, once this is over, you have to do one good application. You have to develop good project like you can do. I will give you the project idea and you will do very easily. Coming to this area, students, you see DESC student is there or not right now? Right now it is there. After executing my program, this will not be there. Execute. Go there. What is my program name? Student drop example 1.py. Execute it. Execute it. See, students, py. I will say py. Table drop example 1.py. Student table dropped. Go to the Oracle place and check it. DESC student. What is that? Student object does not exist. What it indicates? It was removed or not? Removed. Again, you remove this, remember this word, warrior related errors. Again, you run your Python code. Again, you run your Python code means what is your Python code table? Student. Was the student is there now? Already removed. Now I am running once again. Will it drop it? No, you will get exception or not? What is that exception? Table or view does not exist. First time it was removed, right or not? Now it is not there. That means exception is coming in which line? Exception is coming in which line? Line number 8 only exception is coming. It is coming out and then giving this message. Yes or no? Yes. Clear or not clear? Yes. Now you can run the same program. You can run the same program in PyCharm also. Go to the PyCharm, students. Once again, go to that. You say table drop example1.py. You paste this. What is this now? Table drop example.py. What table is there? Run this code. Run this code. What is coming? Table or view does not exist. One table you remove. What is the table I am writing? Teacher. Teacher I am writing. Teacher table is there or not there? DESC, TESC teacher. There or not there? There. Please run this code. Please run this code. What is this? Okay. So run this code. What is coming? Table removed. Which is the table? Teacher. Teacher table removed. Right. Right. Yes. Hari. It is removed permanently, my dear student. Hari is having little knowledge about Oracle. When you come to DML operation, there is a rollback and commit operations are there. I will explain rollback and commit. Once a table is removed, that is permanently removed only. You cannot get it rollback. Hari, my dear student, Hari. It is removed permanently. Records part, I am going to do that. Records related, I will get it back. Hari, I hope you are understanding. Run this code once again. What is happening? Teacher table dropped. Teacher table dropped. Go to that place and say DESC teacher. Not there. You run it once again here. You will get the message. What is that? Table or view does not exist. Are you following me? Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. So how many programs you understand? How many operations you have done? How to create a table? How to alter the table with add? How to alter the table with modify? How to drop the table? These things are comes under what? DDL. DDL deals with what? Like a table creation with the column names, dropping the table, restructuring the table. Now I will enter into next level. Shall we go to next level? Online students, what are the next types of queries? How many types of queries? One is DDL. Next what? DML. Today or tomorrow? Huh? Today only you came from international airport, again tomorrow. Today or tomorrow? Tomorrow. Na? Today only you came. Homesick, huh? Right. So come to the point of it. Come to the point of it. When you are saying tomorrow, I'm getting my intermediate days once. When we were in residential, I'm clearly remembering. We came from Pongal holidays. We are from residential. I'm an intermediate student from residential. Residential means like these days Narayana Chaitanya, how it is there. In those days, SSN College, Ongole, Prakashan district. I was a student of that. It's how strict they are, we cannot imagine. That much strict they are. So even if you want to buy